Little egg.
Can we start again?
A-
The
Lay on a leaf. So one Sunday, the morning, the warm up sun came and up and pooped.
no pop.
Pop out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar.
Very good. Where's the caterpillar? Oh my God, it's so beautiful, right?
He started to walk to some food. On Monday, he ate through
True.
one apple, but he was still hungry.
Mm.
Yum, yum, yum.
Oh my God, he ate.
On Tuesday, he ate tough two
True.
pears.
He ate through 2 pears.
He ate two pears, but he was still hungry.
Yum, yum, yum. See, he's still hungry.
On Wednesday, he ate three plums. I said plums,
It's good. Yeah, you're fine.
but
he
was still hungry.
Why? He's so hungry, right?
On Thursday, he ate 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry.
Oh my God.
How much are these? Yum, 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 yum. One Friday, he ate 5 oranges, but he
Was still
he was still hungry, like hungry pumpkin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges.
Like hungry pumpkin. One Saturday, he ate one piece of chocolate cake, one ice cream, one
Cone,
Cone
ice cream
pick.
cone.
one
pickle.
one pickle, one slice of
Swiss cheese.
Swiss cheese, one slice of salmon.
Salami.
One lollipop, one piece of cherry, one pie, one sausage, one cupcake, one slice of watermelon.
Very good.
That night, he had a
Stomach ache, see? Told you he
Stomach
ate too
ache.
much. That's what happens when you don't eat, or even when you eat too much. Overeating.
He ate a leaf.
He even ate the leaf? Alright.
Next
That's
day
okay.
was Sunday again. The caterpillar drew
Ate
nice
through
nice green leaf. After that, he felt much better.
Ta-da.
I read this book.
Oh, you know
Now
this one.
he
Okay.
wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. Now he was a big, fat caterpillar.
I can see.
Just like a dad.
Seriously? Okay, read the next page.
It's like our dad, but he is a little bit small.
He built a small house.
He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in
the cocoon
the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly.
wow. You can see it's a beautiful butterfly. You see? He had to eat a lot to be a beautiful butterfly.
Like
So
caterpillars.
you also need to eat good food in good quantity to be a handsome
But
boy.
no.
What?
How do they even How do caterpillars eat food and then turn into a butterfly? The end.
The end. That was the good book, right?